Hi there. Let's talk about bundles for attractions. So, what is the deal with bundles and for attractions, and why do we need them? Well, first of all, when you have a lot of types of tickets, you're missing a lot of opportunities. Most of all, because complex ticket options, and let's face it, a lot of attractions have a lot of tickets. This usually confuse guests. And this leads to an inefficient sales process. There's a lot of groups, and we know that groups are a great way to upsell tickets. And this kind of groups, usually comprised of families or schools, get confused about how they can best buy. And that leads to a lot of missed upsell opportunities. There's a lot of options in selling to groups such as schools and families that are missed because we don't have the right package for them. So the solution that we're providing is a way for you to pack multiple types of tickets into one bundle. The Oveit bundles enable you to pack, let's say, adult and children packages within the same deal, sell it, and increase the purchase options. And this leads to a much more streamlined purchase experience, and it boosts revenue per visitor because it leads to purchases in groups rather than per visitor. So here are some use cases that you're probably aware of if you're selling tickets for attractions. Number one, family packs. We love when mom, dad, and the kids are visiting our park because we know there's a lot of purchases, there's a lot of fun, and there's a great option that is parents and kids have some friends that are going to tell and bring them to the park as well. So in this case, we bundle tickets for parents and kids. We simplify family booking. So instead of offering them all sorts of tickets that they don't know how to combine, we just offer them a bundle for their family and they purchase it and they have a great deal that they see instantly. And obviously, we want to incentivize this with attractive discounts. The number two use case that you're also probably aware of is the school pack. We know that when schools are visiting, they're usually bringing in students and chaperones, right? Kids are not entering on their own. And the chaperones themselves are key decision makers when buying this kind of ticket prices, ticket options. And in this case, we enable group pricing for the students and the chaperones. We incentivize the chaperones to buy the school pack. We have an effortless bulk check-in because we have a lot of kids and we want them to enter really fast. And we can also add educational add-ons and other options that we can use to upsell our ticket pack. So let's see it in action. Let's see how it really looks like. All right, so we're on the Oveit checkout and we see we have the general access for adults. We have a good deal here. We have the general access for children, but we also have the family pack, right? It's a family pack for 4, and it actually costs the same as 2 adult tickets and 2 children tickets because we want to incentivize our guests to come in, right? So when we add the family pack to our cart, right? We have the family pack, it shows it's the family pack, but when we check out and we move to the next step, we see that we have 2 adult and 2 children packs. Two adult and 2 children tickets in the same option. And we also have the add-ons that we can use to upsell some additional benefits in our purchase option. All right, so let's have a look at bundle number 2, which is the school pack, right? The school pack is a little bit more expensive because it has 10 children tickets and 2 adult chaperones that are entering free of charge, right? So this is a great deal for the chaperones and a great incentive for them to bring in the kids, right? So let's remove the family pack and we are going to buy the school pack, right? So we buy the school pack to our cart. We see it's purchased for today. And when we move to the next step, we see that we have 12 tickets in our bundle, right? So for the price of the school pack, we get 12 tickets instead of the 10 that we usually buy. All right, so this is amazing. This is a great way to upsell and improve our revenue. Let's see how it actually looks like in the backend, how we can set it. All right, so it's pretty easy. In our ticketing option, we have this button right here, which is called New Bundle, right? So pretty obvious. And in the new bundle, we can add a name, we can add a price, right? So let's say it's the school pack, and we're gonna see it in a few minutes. We add a description, and then we add the relevant tickets that we want to add to this bundle. And this is where you can get really creative and create your own special bundle. It doesn't have to be a family or just a school pack. It can be a corporate pack. It can be a special deal for your guests. And let's have a look at how the school pack was bundled, right? So as you noticed, we have the title, the school pack, we have the price, we added the description, and we added in this bundle the general access for children. We have 10 children tickets, and we have general access for adults, 2 tickets, right? So for the price of just the children packages, we also get the chaperones inside the venue, which is an amazing way of selling to schools. So in a nutshell, this is the bundles, a great way to upsell group packages. Thank you.